Hi, my beautiful people. So guys, today I'm gonna show you how to apply the SHUMIE hair product one by one. So now we're gonna start with the Hairline Booster. Okay, so first step, you need to apply this Hairline Booster on your fingers, darling. Apply it on your fingers, and then you're gonna rub it through your hairline, my sister. Rub it through your hairline, just like that, like how I'm showing you guys. You just have to apply it like that. If it's not enough, you are more than welcome to just apply it again on your fingers and then rub it to your hairline again. Just like it, up until you feel like it's enough. Yeah? But I think you should just apply it 3 times, but then not. It's okay. So, yeah, make sure that you close it, Tara. You need to close this bottle. You have to close it. Okay. Yeah. So just continue like that, and then now you massage it. Just make sure that you massage this product so that it can just get in your hairline. Massage it. Trust me, it's nice feeling. It's a nice feeling. Do it like that, okay? Massage and massage and massage, and don't get lazy, darling. Just massage. This is your hair, okay? Yeah, just like that. So,
yeah. So now we're gonna be focusing on the hair growth oil. After you've done applying this, if you bought the hair growth oil, you can just use it after. Yeah, it's no issue. You can just use them at the same time, yes.